So if I wanted to highlight a new blog that we wrote, right? So you'll never guess how I wrote this blog, right? And that's the heading or title. And then when you double click, you'll see there's kind of like a little menu bar that pops up that allows you to format in the text block builder. And so then you go to the thing that I like to call sparkles. There's probably a technical term for it, but it's the sparkles. And so you click on the sparkles and that brings you to the AI. And then there you go. So then we have a screen that pops up and says AI suggestions. And then it wants you to provide a prompt. And so you can do like, oh, I want it to be a little more professional or something really catchy. And it kind of tries to match that tone, but we'll do natural. And then I can either have the AI suggest a title, a short paragraph, a long paragraph, or provide a good call to action. For this, we'll do a short paragraph since I'm gonna be introducing a blog. So then we'll do to have a solid social media marketing strategy. And that's kind of the prompt that I'm gonna give it. And then I send it, it comes back with a suggestion. So it says, to have a solid social media marketing strategy, it's important to first define your goals and target audience. By understanding who you're trying to reach and what you want to achieve, you can tailor your approach to effectively engage with your audience. Consistency is key in social media, so creating a content calendar and regularly posting valuable, shareable content is crucial. It's also important to track your analytics and adjust your strategy accordingly, as what works for one audience may not work for another. Overall, a solid social media marketing strategy requires careful planning, execution, and consistent evaluation. Wow. That was actually pretty good. And then if I liked what the AI provided, I would go to insert, and then it puts that in the text block instead. And so then it has given me a chunk of content to work from, to dissect, to pull like key things. Like if I just wanted the consistency is key in social media, content is crucial sentence, I could just kind of copy that and keep it. You do have a certain number of words that you're allowed when using the AI, like it's not just gonna give you endless, but it does give you quite a few words. And from this you can, like I could probably build a blog from this if I didn't have one already. Not only is the builder itself a lot easier to use, but now I have the assistance with this AI feature to help me create content and come up with content, especially if like I can't find the words all the time. This actually really helped give me the words to say in creating all of this. And I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe write a blog on social media marketing.